Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Finest Playa Mujeres, a stunning five-star, all-inclusive resort nestled in the beautiful Playa Mujeres region of Mexico, just a stone's throw away from Cancun. Get ready to be whisked away on a virtual tour of this modern paradise that caters to families, couples, and those seeking an adults-only escape. So grab your virtual sunscreen, and let's explore what makes this resort truly stand out in the crowded Mexican Riviera. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Finest Playa Mujeres doesn't mess around when it comes to spacious luxury. We're talking suites that start at a whopping 800 square feet. That's larger than some city apartments. The resort offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. You've got your finest suites, which are perfect for families or groups looking for a bit of extra space. These bad boys come with furnished balconies or patios, so you can sip your morning coffee while gazing out at the lush gardens or the sparkling Caribbean Sea. For those who want to kick up a notch, there are the finest club suites. These offer enhanced luxury within an all-ages setting, complete with exclusive privileges that'll make you feel like royalty. But wait, there's more. If you're in the mood for some adult-only pampering, the Excellence Club Suites are where it's at. These premium suites offer the ultimate in privacy and elevated service. No matter which room type you choose, you're in for a treat. We're talking about bathrooms with jetted tubs and rainfall showers that'll make you want to sing in the shower. Go ahead, we won't judge. And let's not forget the 46-inch LED TVs with premium channels for when you need a break from all that sunshine. Now let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without some fantastic food and drinks? Finest Playa Mujeres doesn't disappoint in this department. With 9 international all-inclusive dining venues, your taste buds are in for a whirlwind tour around the world. Craving some Caribbean flavors? They've got you covered. In the mood for some fancy French cuisine? Say no more. How about some Asian fusion to spice things up? You bet. And for the romantics out there are adults-only restaurants perfect for a candlelit dinner under the stars. But wait, there's more. The resort boasts several bars, including 2 swim-up pool bars where you can sip on your favorite cocktail without ever leaving the water. Talk about living the dream. And for those who like their drinks with a view, there's a rooftop terrace bar that's perfect for watching the sunset. Just remember to make reservations for the specialty restaurants. You don't want to miss out on these culinary adventures. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, because let's face it, that's probably why you're considering a trip to Mexico in the first place. Finest Playa Mujeres doesn't skimp on the aquatic fun. We're talking 10. Yes, you heard that right, 10 outdoor pools. That's enough pools to swim in a different one every day of your vacation and still have some left over. There are pools for the kiddos, pools for the adults, and even pools with swim-up bars, because swimming can be thirsty work. But the water fun doesn't stop there. The resort boasts a private sandy beach along the turquoise waters of Playa Mujeres. Picture yourself lounging on a sunbed, sipping a piña colada, with the gentle sound of waves in the background. Sounds pretty perfect, right? And for the more adventurous types, there are water sports galore. Fancy a bit of sailing? Go for it. Want to explore the underwater world with some snorkeling? The equipment's waiting for you. Or maybe you just want to challenge your travel buddies to a game of beach volleyball. Whatever floats your boat, pun intended, Finest Playa Mujeres has got you covered. Now let's talk activities, because lounging by the pool all day isn't everyone's cup of tea, though no judgment if it is. Finest Playa Mujeres offers a smorgasbord of recreational activities to keep you entertained. Fitness enthusiasts will love the state-of-the-art gym, complete with daily yoga classes and fitness sessions. If you're more of a racket sports person, there are tennis courts waiting for your best serve. But the real gem in the crown of activities is the One Spa. This isn't your average hotel spa, folks. We're talking about a wellness wonderland where you can indulge in hot stone massages, body wraps, and treatments that'll leave you feeling like a new person. There are sauna and steam rooms for some deep relaxation. And if you're feeling particularly indulgent, you can book a couple's massage for some romantic pampering. And let's not forget about the little ones. Finest Playa Mujeres isn't just for the grown-ups. The resort offers a fantastic kids club with supervised activities that'll keep the youngsters entertained for hours. There are age-appropriate programs, a playground, and even special events designed to make sure the kids have just as much fun as the adults. And for parents who want a little alone time, there's a babysitting service available for an extra charge, of course. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what if I want to explore beyond the resort? Well, you're in luck. Finest Playa Mujeres is perfectly situated for some fantastic day trips. Just a short distance away, you'll find the Playa Mujeres Golf Club, a golfer's paradise with stunning ocean views. If you're in the mood for some pristine beaches, Isla Blanca is just about 10 kilometers away. And for those who want a taste of city life, downtown Cancun is only about 15 kilometers from the resort. Whether you're looking for shopping, nightlife, or cultural experiences, it's all within easy reach. So, what's the overall verdict on Finest Playa Mujeres? Well, if the glowing reviews on TripAdvisor are anything to go by, we're talking a 4.6 out of 5 rating based on nearly 14,000 reviews. This place is pretty darn fantastic. Guests rave about the cleanliness, the quality of service, and the prime location. The spacious, clean rooms, and friendly staff seem to be consistent highlights. But let's keep it real, no place is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the resort can get a bit noisy due to its large capacity, especially during peak seasons. And while the all-inclusive package is generous, some visitors have noted that the pricing can be on the higher side. But hey, quality often comes at a price, right? What really makes Finest Playa Mujeres stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, the sheer number of pools is pretty impressive. 10 pools is nothing to sneeze at. But beyond that, it's the resort's ability to cater to different types of travelers that really sets it apart. Whether you're a family looking for kid-friendly fun, a couple seeking a romantic getaway, or an adult group wanting some peace and quiet, there's a space for you here. The dual club concepts, one for families and all ages and another exclusively for adults, is a clever touch that allows the resort to appeal to a wide range of guests without compromising on anyone's experience. And let's not forget about the resort's commitment to sustainability. With eco-friendly cleaning products and recycling programs, you can enjoy your luxury vacation with a slightly clearer conscience. For those of you planning a business trip or a special event, Finest Playa Mujeres has got you covered too. The resort offers state-of-the-art conference facilities and event spaces that can accommodate everything from intimate gatherings to large corporate events. Whether you're planning a destination wedding, a company retreat, or a milestone birthday bash, the events team at Finest Playa Mujeres is ready to make your vision a reality. Now, let's talk about some of those magical moments that make a stay at Finest Playa Mujeres truly memorable. Guests often rave about the surprise touches, like returning to their room after a day at the beach to find a bubble bath drawn and champagne on ice. Or the staff remembering their favorite drink and having it ready at their preferred pool spot without even having to ask. It's these little details that elevate a good vacation to an unforgettable one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.